领航高架桥，全程10.7公里，大约需要27分钟。500米处有测速拍照，限速60。前方200米掉头，然后马上到达目的地附近。到达目的地附近，本次导航结束。
Okay, this is the HUD demo operation. It will automatically start when you start your car engine. Okay, the HUD is started now. For operation wise, it is very simple. If you look at the HUD, there are 4 buttons. The first one is power button, which you normally don't use. Second one is the up button, the down button, and menu. So to change the interface on the HUD, we will first try the menu button, which is the last button. So from RPM just now, we have changed to the water temperature. This is your battery voltage. This is your fuel consumption. This is your altitude based on GPS. This is your distance meter. This is your elapsed time. This is the clock, also based on GPS. This is your 0 to 100 acceleration test timing. This is the number of GPS satellite it is locked on. Currently we are indoor parking, so we will not get GPS signal, but once we are outdoor, there will be GPS satellites locked on. Okay, back to RPM. So for the second button, the down button, this is to remove some of the data which you don't need. This is a clean screen. This is speed with RPM. This is speed with compass. This is speed, RPM, and compass. This is speed and RPM. Or you can use your M button, which I have explained just now, to change to other data as well. And go back to the down button. Okay. And finally, you have the full display. Now for the up button, if you press, that is to change the direction of your RPM meter. So for this format, the light is going right. For this format, it is going right as well, but on different color. So it's up to your preference which you like. For shutdown, it is also automatic. Once you turn off your engine, you will wait about 20 seconds, which is the default timing for the HUD to automatically shut down. Okay, the HUD is auto shutdown now. Okay, this is the driving demo to see how fast the speed reacts to your acceleration. A good HUD should have a smooth speed transition. So I start to move. You can see the speed is going very smoothly. So this is a very good HUD with fast response, and it is very suitable for your normal daily driving. This is a navigation demo for Singapore roads. Operation is very easy. Make sure your HUD is running, and you just click on the app, open up the app, you can see the Bluetooth. It is auto connection without any setup required. So to search for address, click on the box. You can search via postal code, full street name, or landmark. I'm going to try postal code. So it returns the first, which is correct. Click on it, and you will have the recommended shortest route or alternative. So we use the shortest route. To start navigation, you just need to press the left button, start navigation. The right button is used for demo and simulation. So for this demo, I'm going to use the right button.
Drive west, then turn right.
And you can see the turn direction is automatically available on the HUD. And you have the distance countdown as well. Your voice guidance will be from your phone. Even though your phone is Bluetooth connected to your HUD, it is still Bluetooth connected to your radio as well. So you can still receive incoming call and make outgoing calls from your radio. And you'll be able to use your steering control.
Bear left, then bear left onto Tampines Avenue 11. Bear left onto Tampines Avenue 11. Then keep right to stay on Tampines Avenue 11. Keep right to stay on Tampines.
On some phones, there may be a bug with the notification settings. If you go to navigation, and if you start navigation,
Drive west, then turn.
you will keep hearing this annoying notification sound.
Then turn left.
This bug is only apparent on some phone models, like my
300 meters.
demo phone, which is a Samsung Note 10. So to turn off this annoying notification sound,
Make a right U-turn at Tampines.
just drag down,
Stay on Tampines North.
press on notification settings, go to the VE app, and turn off this notification. It will silence the annoying notification sound,
Bear left.
but you will still have your voice guidance. The voice guidance will still be available from the phone.